Hi all, just a quick update on the bike bench. It's the progress so far. We're getting there slowly. Preparing the top now for, I'll probably put some plywood on instead of steel. So this is the way I have it set up here. I'm using a little 2-ton jack at the moment, but I'll probably put a hydraulic ram, maybe with a foot pump or a hand pump in at some stage, if I can locate one at the right money. So that's the progress so far. It's getting there, as you can see. Thanks for looking.